Hello friends, I am Tina. I had been to a bird park yesterday with my mom and dad. My dad told me that I will see many birds there. As we went around the park looking for birds, we saw a beautiful peacock. He had spread his feathers and was dancing. What a lovely sight it was. I had never seen a peacock dancing before. I was enjoying the peacock dance when my father spotted parrots on a tree. There were so many parrots. One of them was trying to break open a nut with his beak. It was so much fun to watch him do so. I saw a bird drilling a hole on the trunk of the tree with his long and pointed beak. My dad told me that it was a woodpecker. They like to eat tiny insects living in the trunk of the tree. I was tired walking, so we sat down to rest. I saw ducks swimming in a nearby pond and was lucky to see one of them catching fish. We also saw pigeons, crows, and sparrows in the park. The park keeper told us that penguins are found in cold regions where there is snow. Hence, they have made a section exclusively for penguins. We saw penguins playing around. Dad told me penguins are also birds, but they cannot fly as they don't have feathers. They have flippers which help them to swim. Mom told me that just as penguins are birds that cannot fly, similarly there are other birds like ostrich and emu which also cannot fly. I wanted to see these birds too. So the keeper took us to a spot where they had kept these birds. Ostrich had very long legs and were running too fast. I had never seen a bird run so fast before. Soon the sun set and the keeper told us that all the birds will go to their nests. So we said goodbye to the birds and went back to our home. It was a great experience watching so many different birds. I will be back with more adventures. Till then, goodbye friends.